to Learning with KEA. This is video part 12. In this video, we will learn about house chore vocabulary, name of family members, and some verb or action words. Let's get started. We work together at home. Every Saturday, my brother and I would always ask our mom and dad to play with us in the park. But mom always says that she has so many things to do at home. So we had an idea. We will wake up early in the morning and we will all help mom to finish all the chores in the house. The following day, my mom got up early as usual and started to cook breakfast. My dad got up with her and started to tidy the shelves and vacuum the floor. I got up to sweep the yard and to throw the garbage. My brother started to get up too. Finally, breakfast is ready and we all ate together. After eating breakfast, my brother started to wash the dishes. "Sister," he called out to me, "please wipe the table." And I did. Work becomes easier when we all work together. Now, we have a lot of time to play in the park. Now, let's look at these words. Mother. Sometimes we also call her mom. Father. Sometimes we also call him dad. Sister. Brother. These words are the family members. Now, let's look at these words. Cook breakfast. Tidy the shelves. Vacuum the floor. Sweep the yard. Throw the garbage. Wash the dishes. Wipe the table. These words are examples of the house chores. House chores are the things that we do in the house in order to maintain the cleanliness and also to keep the family members healthy. Do you help in the household chores? What's your favorite household chore? Comment down below. These words are also examples of verb. When we say verb, it means an action word. So, cook, sweep, vacuum, throw, wash are also examples of verb. I hope you learned something today. See you next time!